Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel startuplanes.com. I am More Tanvi and I would really appreciate if you take a moment and subscribe to our channel below. In today's video, I am going to tell you 5 factors that are essential to make your startup a successful startup. The first thing is idea. Of course, just remember one thing. This thing over here, which is called brain, have immense potential to think as innovative, as unique, as creative idea as no species can. So think in whatever direction you can and be innovative in your own world. The second one is team. You should have a strong team. The team can consist more than 2 people or 2 people also. Just remember one thing, investment in humans never goes fail and the return on investment on humans are always high. A team is the most important thing that you can have. It's more important even than idea. If your idea is there in your head but there is no one to execute it, there is no use of having a great idea. So remember one thing, team is essential. The third most essential thing is your business model. It's very important to know and have clear paths that you discover to satisfy your customers. Fourth essential thing is the funding. According to me, it's the most time taking but worth spending time feature of starting a startup. Third thing is of course timing, because everything depends on the timing. Before the right time you don't have ideas. Before the right time execution is nonsense. Third is the business model. If your discovered path are not executing at the right moment, at the right timing, they are worthless. And fourth, funding. When you are raising funds, at that time also timings are important. Now the question comes that how essential, how important these 5 factors are to the startup. So here has been done a research over 200 companies and this data has been extracted. Timing has 42% essentiality. That means timing is the most important factor when you start a startup. Followed by team 32%, idea 28%, business model 24% and of course funding 14%. Here are few examples of the same. Airbnb and Uber who transport services. Now Airbnb had a great business model, have great execution, but then also timing is important. Airbnb came at the time of recession when people actually needed money and they were ready to rent their houses to strangers. The same thing happened with Uber. It decided to involve drivers who are not only educated but also have great driving skills into it, because at that time it was less employment in the country and people needed money. So Uber helped getting drivers involved in their transport service, also had social networking sites so that the modern people, the people who are busy in their lives and are only online, can also have their services. So always remember guys, that execution may have later. Business model, you don't have business model in the initial stage, that okay. If you have low funding at the initial stage, that okay. But your timing should be perfect, because your idea will decide what will happen to your startup in the future. The customers have to be satisfied with your idea at the right point. You should make sure that the customers need your idea right now. The customers will accept and adapt your idea in the right situation. I think in the current situation, the only thing that can make change is the startups. So your idea is worth thinking, worth spending time on. So make sure that you execute your idea on the right time, and if you need any help regarding startup, our company is the best place you can have. We can help you in the best possible ways. Please do visit our website called startuplanes.com. Also, if you have liked this video, do like, share and comment, and also don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram and Facebook. Thank you.